Hello everybody and welcome. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use custom thumbnails in YouTube Shorts. So first I just want you to head over or to go into this plus icon, tap on it, and once you tapped on it you will be on this section. So let's go to the gallery and let's choose a video just to set an example, just like that one. It's a 2 seconds video, almost 2 seconds. So after that, tap on X, and when you tap on X, tap on done, and after you tap on done you can customize your video just from here by using these tools. So after that you can go into next. Alright, here guys, here's the trick. So as you can see, here is a pen on the top right corner of our shorts or our video. So by tapping on that pen, let's try it. Tap on it, and right here you can set the thumbnail or to use the custom thumbnail on your video just by moving the bar below. So let's set, for example, in this angle the video. So this is how to add or how to use custom thumbnails in YouTube Shorts. It depends on your preference, or it depends on what people like to attract them to see your shorts also. So this is the trick, and this is how, guys. After that, head over to this. Okay, so this icon, tap on it on the top right corner, tap on it after you are finished, and then tap on upload shorts, and you will upload your shorts, of course. So guys, this is the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share that video with your beloved ones, and thank you so much for watching.